WWE presents Over the Limit.
Right now, one of the greatest rivalries in WWE history writes yet another chapter. Randy Orton attempts to defend his WWE Championship against Triple H, who attempts to become a record 17-time World Champion.
Oh my gosh, look at this, Michael. The hairs on my arm are standing straight up. I have no idea who's going to win this.
Straight right by Triple H. Not only does that hurt, but the mind games. What it psychologically does to you. It's almost like I'm the dominant species and you can do nothing about it. This crowd is solidly behind the fact that they don't know who to root for.
Yeah, at this point, I'd have to say they're pretty much evenly divided. Half for the game and half for the Viper.
Good in-ring presence shown by the game.
Triple H just teeing off. Uh-oh, this is bad. Hard kick to the ribs.
Got the arm up. Randy Orton, a victim of his own dirty deeds.
Watch out here. Triple H looking for some big impact.
The game and the Viper, both of these men trying to prove something to the other, trying to prove something to themselves.
Well, they're both amazing. The only question is, who will the better man turn out to be on this night?
And Randy gets taken down. He almost took his head off with that lariat. Pedigree! No!
Whoa, what a counter by the game! They're going after Triple H again. Oh no, not the handcuffs again.
Triple H was ready this time.
Yeah, Ziggler's in trouble now.
The game wrenching way back. Oh
no,
it's Kane! Spear! Spear! Where did Edge come from?
I don't know, Michael, but what a save that was. The match is going to end in disqualification, but for Triple H, this could have been so much worse.